guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is gonna be a hair tutorial real quick. Side part, half up, half down. I have my mirror here, spray bottle, my gel, my brush. Oh, I'm actually missing a brush. Then I got a paddle brush, a couple bobby pins, and of course you need like scrunchies, which I always keep like 7 on my arms. And the night before I just washed my hair, left it in a braid. We're gonna start off sectioning our hair. So you could part your hair. I'm trying to do it through the camera when I have a mirror right here. Am I done? Kind of like a deep swoop. And with the side part, half up, half down, you kind of have to like get by sections. And what I mean by that is because you can't take this, swoop it down, and bring it up. So what we're gonna do, I kind of just like take it from wherever it ends and bring it down to my ear. The flatter it is, the better. Just pin it to the side so that later we can deal with it. I'm not gonna do anything perfect, so I'm gonna go from ear to ear and connect it to the back. And this is gonna be really like the easy part. This is where the spray comes in because you want your hair to be damp. If your hair is not wet, it doesn't lay as flat as it can. I find that when your hair is wet, you really get the best result. If you want, you kind of could just take the bottom part, throw it to the side as well, so that you just have to work with the whole top part. And I'm gonna grab my gel. I have this XOXO. It's actually my dad's and I steal it every day and he gets very mad. This is like the cheapest type of gel and I use it every day, so it's just super convenient. So take as much as you want. So I'm just gonna take this and just like throw it on the perimeter.
Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up.
So then once you have everything, you can just pick up the section again and you start smoothing everything.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Hair tie and go ahead and tie that. So I feel like everything's pretty much smooth. I like mine to be really tight. If you don't, make it as loose as you can. Some people don't like the headache. I don't mind it. I'm used to having my hair pulled. So I feel like everything's good. I'm just gonna grab a hair tie in my handy dandy arm. I'm gonna have to take care of that. And I like to do 2 at a time just because like the more secure I just feel like better, you know. Let's just try one more time.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road
and I know most people like swoop down and put it up, but I don't do it that way. So I'm just gonna spray it.
be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN.
And we're gonna go back in with a lot of gel.
Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.
And then you're just gonna go back in with this and try to smooth it down as best as you can. Wow, that actually stayed for once. So I kind of just use the top of my hair and cover it. I just grab any random piece from the back of my head, maybe 1-inch section. Take that piece and I kind of just pull on it, make sure it's super tight. This doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to look perfect. And if you want, you can tie a piece of hair at the top. So then this is the fun part where we do the edges. And you can get fun with it if you want to. If you really want to. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I can't do my Superman curl because, but here's the handy dandy, you know. You can use the edge brush. I really like toothbrushes better. It's just me.
If you OBN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterfly, open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tell you out for.
And if you, like I said, if you like, you can take a piece of hair and just wrap it around the ponytail. I'm also gonna add like some mousse. I usually use Cantu for my like regular hair because I don't have curly hair. But the curling cream, it's really good. Like, it really enhances my waves. And then I tried this recently and I actually really did like it because it makes my hair super shiny. And it's the argan oil one. So I just take about this amount and throw it on my hair.
Too deep, breathe hard and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation.
You can take any hairspray, which I'm using this one, Extreme Control, and it's gonna leave your hair crispy, but we need that.
If you OBN, engaging you on my.
And here's the finished look. Who played me like that? Who the fuck? That's the worst part, when it starts separating.
We should be closer than friends. If you OBN.
Okay, quick intermission because my boyfriend called me because he didn't know what to get from Starbucks. And I put him on to an iced chai tea latte and he didn't like it. Who the fuck doesn't like iced chai tea lattes? But this is the final look, y'all. Like, it's super cute. You know what I'm saying? Super Ariana Grande. And it looks even better when your hair's in the front. You can do flat iron curls. I love flat iron curls. Those are super cute too. But like, obviously brushed out. Please don't be one of those people who curl their hair and leave it like that. Please don't be one of those people. Or you can do wand waves or even straight hair. Thank you guys for watching. I definitely want to do more hair videos. As you can see, this was easy as shit and I was so confused on how to do it. So I hope you guys will learn how to do it. I'm just gonna do more videos like this. I'm super into hair, super into makeup, super into like shopping and stuff. Such a girly girl, I know. Most of these will be hair videos. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys could please support this and share all the other stuff, you know, that I would really appreciate it. Bye.